What's up, everyone? Here we have a brand new Fender roller. You know, the whole Shazam, the heat gun, temperature gun, everything that I need to get some Fenders rolled. And the reason why it's brand new and it's in the box, and the reason why you're seeing a different setting here with palm trees and all that, is because we're doing a little something special. And this is just a little something where I'm staying at. But got VIP magazines always on deck, so if anybody wants them, they are $30 shipped. And then also have this little Tesla cluster for sale. It came out of my Tesla IS300. If you're interested in that, just go on the website or contact me directly. But yeah, this is what we got going on. We'll be Fender rolling an IS300 today, so stay tuned. So Fender roll is all done. As you can see, that's the rear. No paint cracking. You just washed this, so it's just water. And these are RPF ones on 245 40/17. Also roll the front. And as you can see, nothing bulges out. It fits perfectly fine. So we're all done with the Fender roll now. I wasn't able to get like an actual video of me doing it just because I don't have anything or anyone here to hold the phone or anything like that. And I did do like a before and after like clips and stuff and pictures, so I'll try to add that in the video. I'm not much of an editor, so it's not gonna look that good. But he was super happy with the outcome of the roll. He was able to fit those 245s under there with no issues at all. You know, he did the right thing. He got the right suspension specs, the right wheel specs, the right tire specs, everything. As long as you get everything right, you'll be able to fit a lot of setups and have no issues with rubbing or making your car look like crap. So if you guys need any help, any tips on Fender rolling, any type of fitment guidance or help like that, feel free to email me at sales@curiogarage.com. If you want my number, hit me up through there first, and then I'll send you the number depending on the area that you're in. But yeah, so now we're on the way towards LA area to visit Static Danny on Instagram. He actually has a YouTube page, so I don't know how to add a link on here, but I'm gonna try to add the link, or maybe it was in the description, so you guys can check it out. Alright, y'all, we out here in California at Static Garage. Got my man Danny here. This is his IS300. What year is it?
It's 04.
04 IS300. You want to explain what you got done to it?
Yeah, so it's mostly suspension and body, not really engine because I'm building a 1JZ, big turbo for it. But just TEs, 205, 40 for the tires, just run cheap Achilles because I'm always wearing them out. It's a full TRD authentic kit all around. I don't have the TRD covers, but
dude.
And then I have the Ganadors, super expensive, overpriced.
I didn't even catch the Ganadors, bro. they're legit too. I see that angle.
Yeah, they're not angled up, bro.
Yeah, that's how you know, man.
But yeah, so I have TRD everything around because I don't really like the poly kits, you know, and all the drift kits that a lot of people are doing.
Yeah.
And then I have 09 suspension, silvers, just pretty much everything bushings wise, and then exhaust. Obviously, I have a titanium HKS.
Damn, titanium.
Inside, I have here.
I think it's open still.
Yeah.
Hey.
I have a Zeta 3, and then I have a Nardi with a Never Content, pivot shift knob, a little drift button from 09, TRD cluster, which is like my favorite mod.
Oh,
you have it on yours or no?
Yeah.
But yeah, dude, pretty much everything's.
Actually, no, I had the digital one.
You have the digital
one?
The
digital one, yeah.
Too. I was thinking about it.
So this is Static Garage.
The inside of it.
The inside of it.
It's not that big.
Go ahead and give you a little tour of it.
Pretty much this is where we work on the cars. We have storage up there, bathroom, and this is our little kickback spot.
That's
we
dope,
have to have
man.
a kickback spot, bro.
Of course.
If not, we're just standing around.
So what's up with this thing right here?
This is my 84 BMW. It's pretty much, I would say it's pretty much stock. Like, it's nothing crazy like the IS, even though I've owned this longer, but it has a full paint job. I still need to repaint it. I have work equip 03s, and then I have BCs that are obviously welded on, because on these you have to weld them, the front coil.
Oh yeah, I'm familiar with that. And if you weld them wrong, they'll hit the wheels and all that.
Yeah, there's just a bunch of like geometry.
You gotta know what you're doing.
But, the interior is just restored, just have like a bride bucket in there. But the engine wise, I literally don't even have the head on.
Just a valve cover to make sure nothing's in there.
But yeah, I'm gonna be pretty much parting out everything on this motor because I'm swapping another one in. Which
Damn.
I haven't really told anyone.
Oh,
yet.
you good, man.
I'll work with it right there for you.
That's it. That's all they're gonna see.